Limits and derivatives, class 11 miscellaneous exercise. So we have completed 5 questions. Now we will find the derivative for the 6th one. Question 6. 1 plus 1 by x divided by 1 minus 1 by x. So we have to find derivative of this function, that is we have to find f dash of x. We have to find d by dx of f of x. Now to find f dash of x for this function, we'll make some changes here, like we will take LCM so that it will be easy to find the derivative. So we will simplify this by taking LCM. So in the numerator, if you take LCM x, so here you will get x plus 1, and in the denominator if you take LCM x, you will get x minus 1. Right? So this entire thing can be written in this way. Now if you simplify this, x plus 1 by x into x divided by x minus 1. Now this product of fraction will turn into x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So x by x will be 1. So you are left with x plus 1 by x minus 1. Now I can just take a note here. If you have a fraction a by b divided by c by d, you can write it as a into d divided by b into c. It's the same thing here. A by b divided by c by d. We have written a into d divided by b into c. Okay. So now this is the function that we have started, but we ended up with x plus 1 by x minus 1, which looks very nice and simple. So let us take this as f of x. So let f of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So in this case, in this type of function, like which when we started, x must not be equal to 0. And the same thing will carry forward even when you change the function. And in this case, you should not give x equal to 1, because if you give x equal to 1, denominator will become 0, which is undefined. So x should not be equal to 0, and x should not be equal to 1. So with this condition, let us differentiate both sides with respect to x. We have d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So d by dx of f of x is nothing but f dash of x, right? Now d by dx of x plus 1 by x minus 1, quotient of function by function. So we will apply u by v rule. So in the denominator, it is x minus 1. So we will write x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 1 the whole square. Here you will get x minus 1 into d by dx of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into d by dx of x minus 1. So we will put the brackets. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to x minus 1 d by dx of x plus 1. So even without applying u plus v rule, you can easily tell, because d by dx is 1 and this is 0. So 1 plus 0, you are left with 1. But let us write that step. D by dx of x plus d by dx of 1 minus x plus 1. So what will be the derivative here? It is 1 because d by dx of x is 1 and d by dx of 1 is 0. So x minus d by dx of 1. So in the denominator we have x minus 1 the whole square. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to x minus 1. So derivative of x is 1, constant 0, minus x plus 1, derivative of x is 1, constant 0, and in the bottom we have x minus 1 the whole square. So now I think we can write the final step. F dash of x is equal to x minus 1 times 1 will be x minus 1 minus x plus 1 times 1 will be x plus 1, but we have minus here, so you have to write minus and minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, there is one more step. So f dash of x is equal to plus x minus x will get cancelled. So minus 1 will be minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So this is the derivative of this function, which we transformed into x plus 1 by x minus 1. But one condition we have to remember, that x must not be equal to 0 and x must not be equal to 1, so that we can avoid denominator becoming 0. So we completed the sixth one.